I've always wanted to teach, so it was one of those routes from primary school, I'm going to be a teacher, so it was just PGCE was what I wanted to do. Everyone was so friendly when I came to have a look around, whereas other places you go, they're not as friendly. It's just, oh yeah, this is this, this and this, where they'd take an interest in you and you actually feel like a person than just another student. In history, there's only 15 of us, so it's a really small, close unit, and you're literally not thrown in the deep end, but you start work from day one, which is really good, and you do feel so prepared. The 5 weeks flew by, and I felt that I could go then and teach from having 5 weeks of information sort of thrown at you and practicing. And you do micro lessons, so you actually teach your peers in the classroom as well. So you get to practice, you get your group of friends and things, and it's not just the hard working part, it's the social part as well. I like the library as well. I know a lot of our lessons that will actually be sent to the library to do the research. So it's really handy to be on campus here and just nip to the library to go and do research and print things off. Oh, I've loved it. I've been fortunate that the university placed me near home, so I was able to commute into school, and I just absolutely loved it. From day one, I felt part of the school, and it was really nice. From here, I sort of was thinking, oh, they'll treat you as a PGCE student, and they don't. Placement was amazing. It was so much fun. I didn't think it'd be loads of fun, which I know sounds silly, but you sort of think it's going to be all hard work and you're just going to be sat in the staff room doing lesson plans, marking, but it's not. You are doing that, but you're also joining in and doing like the carol concert or Christmas week, or you can be helping with the Remembrance Sunday and things. So it's really nice to get involved, and everyone is so friendly that you don't feel that you're just a PGCE student. It is loads of hard work, but it's so much fun at the same time. Just by walking around campus and like in the lectures, you get to know everyone on the course. Even if you don't know their name, they'll just say, oh, hi, you're doing PGCE, and it is really nice. Everyone is so supportive, but I would say definitely go for it, and it's a really nice place to be.